Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Travelers to add an additional driver endorsement, full guide step by step clearly. To install Travelers to add an additional driver endorsement, start by gathering the necessary information. Ensure you have your policy number readily available. Visit the Travelers Insurance website or open their mobile app. Log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, create one by following the prompts. Once logged in, navigate to the Auto Insurance section. Look for the option labeled Manage My Policy or similar. Select the Add Additional Driver option from the menu. You will be prompted to enter the new driver's information. Provide their full name, date of birth, and driver's license number. You may also need to include their relationship to you. After entering the necessary details, review the information for accuracy. Submit the request to add the additional driver. You will receive a confirmation message once the process is complete. Check your email for a confirmation of the endorsement addition. If you encounter any issues, contact Travelers Customer Support for assistance. Keep a record of all communications regarding the endorsement. Verify the endorsement has been added to your policy in your account. Review your policy documents once more to ensure everything is updated accurately. Congratulations, you have successfully added an additional driver endorsement with Travelers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.